Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we start harvest 20, hopefully. So I'm gonna back out this grain cart, and then I'm gonna get the chopper out, and then we're gonna get the combine out, and hopefully we're gonna try to run some corn today. So here to get all this moved, get the combine out. I'm gonna take it back down to the farm and make sure everything's ready to go on it. We should be ready to go. Just gotta get the head on it and everything like that. So, but get this backed out of here, and then we'll get the chopper out, and then we'll be good to go. This chopper is a complete mess. We were chopping corn that had southern rust in it, and I was chopping, trying to finish up. Didn't end up finishing up. Well, I didn't really think I was going to be able to finish up anyway, but it started sprinkling on it and really made a mess out of the chopper. So that's why the chopper looks terrible. Might go. Anyways, we couldn't spray fungicide on there to protect the corn from the rust because there's a 30-day wait on the fungicide before you can harvest it, and that 30 days wasn't long enough. We didn't have 30 days at the time we needed to harvest it, chop it for silage. So anyways, we had a bunch of rust in that. There's nothing we can do about it, so I'm gonna back this out of here. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that because it's kind of in a tight spot here. All right. Hop in the combine here and start it up. Ooh, I may have to move that tractor actually. Yeah, that's probably gonna need to be moved. Anyways, I'm gonna go move that tractor because I don't think I can get around in time to have enough room. I realized that when we get back down to the farm, I'm gonna put these bin extensions together the rest of the way. We had them down because we had to put it in the shop, and that's a tight squeeze getting into the shop. So anyways, I'm gonna go move that tractor. It's gonna be a tight squeeze getting out of here, as you can see in the mirror. The goal is to get it out of here without hitting anything, so just gonna keep a close eye, keep getting out and keep watching. I think we'll be all right. Just gotta watch on this side, this hopper bottom, and then I gotta watch the water on that side, and there's a bunch of parts on that side too. Of course, I parked the ladder right where the cow gate is, so that was fun getting down. Got the combine out, got out about 10 times to make sure I didn't hit anything. That's better than hitting something. I don't want to hit anything. Too much to do today to have to worry about that. So I'm gonna pull this back in there all the way, and we'll put the grain cart behind it, and then we'll be ready to go. Alright, it is 7 o'clock, and I've been working on the combine all day. I got me a camera put up there, and sounds fairly simple. That took me all day, and I just realized that the back is down. Actually, I'm gonna leave it like that and just put up the ladder, because I'm gonna put some fuel in this, and then I'm gonna go put the head on it because I'm bored and I don't have anything else to do. Go put the corn head on it. And run it, make sure everything's gonna run right, and then we'll just leave it down there in the field, leave it set for tonight, and then hopefully we will run tomorrow. Today's Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday, so we'll see what we can get done tomorrow, see if we can get the combine going, and yeah, so I guess go down here and hook up his head. Alright, I gotta undo the straps here. I got it filled up with fuel. I gotta undo the straps here, and I'll pull up here and lift it up, and then I'll hook on our electric, and then we'll hook up the PTO chassis to the feeder house, and then I'll lift it off the trailer and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, it's Saturday morning, or not Saturday morning, it's Saturday afternoon, it's 2 o'clock. Anyways, I got the combine down here. We worked on it this morning, worked on the head, greased it, checked the oil and the gearboxes, everything like that. So it should be all good to go. So I'm going to do a test fire here and make sure everything's going to come on and work. So here we go. Wait for Cody to move here. Everything should be good. There we go. Alright. Looks like everything's running. I don't hear anything, do you? Alright, I guess we're gonna head up to the field. Alright, Cody's getting the grain cart. We're gonna bring it down to the field. Here we go. Alright, I did a power shutdown, so we're gonna go check out the combine. Alright, so I've been going for a while. I kind of forgot to film anything. But anyways, Dad's leaving with the semi right now. Maroon semi. Cody's gonna fill the
Is your camera working okay, Brad?
Yep. Cody's gonna fill that yellow cat, and then he's gonna come unload me because I am getting close to being full. I'll look here in a second once we get going. Alright, if you can kind of see.
Your auto still working?
Yep. You can see my camera here. I'm really liking that camera. Oh, there's Cody unloading there. But I really like having this camera up here. Now that I have it, I don't really know how I ever would have done it without it. It's really nice because this.
Is that cord doing any better than there?
Yeah, it's about 170. I've seen up to 180. Anyways, it's really nice being able to see where it's at, and if I'm about to go on the roof, which I already have put Capricorn on the roof, so yeah. I had it full and I crossed the waterway. I wasn't thinking about it, and right on the roof. But anyways, I really like this camera, so Cody should be coming to unload me shortly. Not that I really need it, but he's unloading onto that yellow cat. So anyways, I'll get you some footage when he gets back here to unload. Alright, Cody's coming up here behind me. Alright, we're gonna park, go get some dinner, and then we will be back. Alright, we're back at it. Got some dinner, came back. I think we're gonna fill up the maroon truck, or whatever truck is empty, and then we're gonna quit for the night. I had to come back up here anyways. We're gonna bring the combine back down there. So one of the issues we were having today, we had a cable break. The cable that senses our tilt of the head side to side, the sensor cable broke, so it's not letting it sense it and turn it and like tilt it side to side automatically. So I've just been kind of watching it, and it doesn't really affect it as much on corn as it would with combine and beans. But it's running okay. We're on fairly flat ground here, and so I've just been running without it. We have the cable, so we'll put it on tomorrow. And anyways, I'm just gonna run and get enough to fill the truck, and then we'll head back down to the farm. I'm gonna take the air compressor and blow it off. We have the big air compressor sitting down there, so that's better than the leaf blower. Blow it off good, and then we'll quit for the night. So Cody's getting ready to unload. I don't know why he didn't come earlier, but anyways, I'm gonna turn around here. So I was on my last pass for what I'm gonna do tonight, and the chain, I guess, on the left side auger has decided to come off, or at least that's what has happened to me before. So I guess I'm just gonna bring it back down to the farm and park it for the night. I ain't gonna fool with it tonight. I'll blow it off or whatever. But anyways, so I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.